Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in to the account that has premium. Now go straight to account purchases and memberships. Locate YouTube Premium under memberships and make sure you confirm the billing email and renewal date so you know what you'll lose access to. Once done, verify whether you're on a free trial or paid plan because the cancellation timing differs. Make sure to note any family plan membership or Google Play subscription that might control the premium status before you proceed to cancel. Start by clicking Manage for the premium membership and choose Cancel Membership. You'll see prompts explaining access until the billing date. You should select a reason if asked. This helps Google but does not affect cancellation. Once you confirm cancellation, you'll still keep premium benefits until the paid period ends, so make sure to download any offline videos you need. If your subscription was purchased through Apple or Google Play, the Manage link will redirect you to that store to finish cancellation there. After canceling, check your email for confirmation and revisit YouTube settings to confirm the membership shows as canceled. If you were redirected to Apple or Google Play, open their subscriptions page and cancel there. Subscriptions bought through a store must be canceled in that store. If cancellation still appears active, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or try another device. One key tip: if charges continue after cancellation, gather your transaction ID and contact support, or your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.